CP340 Networks and Data Security, Section 6. Appreciate the role of digital signatures and digital certificates in the development of a program code. Contents. 6.1. The role of encryption in protecting the contents of data transmission. 6.2. Security tokens. 6.3. Digital certificates. 6.4. Digital and XML signatures. 6.1. Recognize the role of encryption in protecting contents of data transmission. 6.1. Encryption helps protect data that is stored and transferred through the internet. One of the most common examples would be passwords. When you log into a site, these passwords are encrypted and sent through a network to be compared to their stored counterpart. HTTPS, adaptation of HTTP for secure communication over a network, and is widely used over the internet. It protects against man-in-the-middle attacks and is overall more secure than HTTP. Common forms of data that would be encrypted would be emails, file FTP, login info, and certificates. Dangers that encryption protects against. A man-in-the-middle attack involves someone redirecting packets sent across a network where they then try and steal useful data. A brute force attack. A hacker uses code to crack the passwords by trial and error. Rainbow tables. A pre-computed dataset for a given hash algorithm, such as MD5, containing millions of permutations. It could reduce the computing time to find a string of characters, which maps to a given hash. Dash assault. MD5 hashes of passwords are very similar, so if one gets decrypted, then many users with the same password would be compromised. 6.2. Security tokens. Security tokens are forms of authentication that could be both digital and physical. Security tokens are single factors of authentications. This involves passwords and voice recognition software. Hard tokens are physical devices that act as electronic keys to a physical system. Another would be a USB stick, fingerprint scanner, or eye scanner. YubiKey. YubiKey is a hardware authentication device manufactured by Yubico that supports one-time passwords, public key encryption, and authentication. It allows users to securely log into accounts by emitting one-time passwords or using FIDO-based public/private key pair generated by the device. 6.3. Digital certificates. Often known as CD keys, digital certificates provide a way to allow publishers to verify someone owns the software or they just pirated it, essentially. 6.4. Digital and XML signatures. An XML signature defines an XML syntax for digital signatures and is often used to authenticate values that are based on public keys or provide signer authentication. Digital signatures are important because they provide end-to-end message integrity guarantees, and they can provide authentication information on the origin of the message. A digital signature checks integrity by either failing or passing a check. If a single byte or the ordinal content has been modified, integer value change to like a no or a yes, the check will fail, so you can tell if it's been modified. This concludes section 6.